What's going on, guys? Jake here. Tech Tip Tuesday. We're talking about wiring today. These little guys are your best friend trackside. Let's dive in. Okay, so typically you would solder, you would butt connector, which is terrible. Don't ever do that. If I ever see that on your car, I'm just gonna come by and yank it off. Or you would solder heat shrink. These little guys are heat shrink and solder all in one. Shove your wires in there. Make sure they're both overlapping on the solder. Give her some heat. You'll know it's getting warm enough because you'll see the solder in the center obviously melt, break down. There it goes. Let that cool down for a few seconds and you're done. Pretty straightforward. This is awesome for trackside stuff, like I keep saying. Really saves you a lot of time. You don't need 3 hands to do it. Simple, easy, good to go. This is how I put my entire car together. All right, well, that's your tech tip for the week. Stay tuned for more. If you guys like these, let's hear about it in the comments.